Welcome to day 2 of a shower remodel. I'm gonna start the day by going under the house. Welcome to under the house. Started by cutting off this old fitting, putting the fern coat on there. Pipe number 1 cut. I'm already drenched. Pipe number 2 cut. Pipe number 1. Pipe number 2. And to day number 2, we actually only put the new subfloor in. And the base is just sitting in here. Dry fit it. We got the plumbing done. Drain set. It fits, I swear. And that'll be the end of day 2. Tomorrow we're gonna try to put plywood on the walls and get this base set in mortar, and see you guys tomorrow.